Yeah, I was going to ask you. I'm glad you brought it up because kind of what you're seeing in kind of the small and mid-sized market. I mean, that seems to be an area that certainly I'm seeing more and more shippers kind of in that market category, kind of be one of two camps. Either one, they're kind of looking for a TMS solution because they've kind of reached that breaking point, or they're in the other camp that say, we don't need a TMS. We're everything's going fine. Is that kind of the two camps that you see that market segment still fall into?
I think the only person that remains in the second camp might be the CFO of some of these companies, but the supply chain people realize they got to be in the first camp, and they know they need a TMS solution. I think what's changing and what we've done is we've kind of, while we brand it and talk about it as a capacity tool, it's really a small module or piece of the larger TMS. So what we can do is we can bring you on board and just use this piece to execute what might be a spot bid, but then when you're ready and your volume starts to build and you want to take advantage of some of the other efficiencies, you can kind of grow up there and you can add modules and add functionality. But I think to your point, I think most people realize that they need a TMS for a lot of reasons. I mean, they're dealing with carriers, and if you're the last one that's still using Excel spreadsheets and screen captures pasted into emails, the carrier's kind of letting you know about it, that the other guy's sending me an EDI tender. I can bill them with an EDI 210 transaction, and you're the last holdout. So if you want access to the better quality carriers, you have to start using the platforms that the big shippers are using. Otherwise, you're going to be left to pull from a pool of carriers that really isn't technology savvy, isn't able to give you accurate status updates because they're not using technology themselves. So